Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about the one of the biggest hidden performance wins in EF Core, and still many developers miss it out. Okay, so this is why I thought I should bring this video in front of you, or this is why I'm recording the topic on EF Core tracking versus no tracking, or we will discuss about why the performance difference is used between these two things. So for the purpose, I have created two APIs, or the API, the purpose of the API is we are just getting the orders list, that's it. Okay, but the differences between these two APIs, first we are trying to get the results with as no tracking. Thereafter we are getting the results without as no tracking. Okay, so we will see what are the major differences between these two things. Okay, or why I'm saying this, it has the huge performance difference between these two things. Okay, so let's see that what's the what we will see in this video. So guys, I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on it as well, and hit the like button for the upcoming videos on such topics. Okay, so first we will discuss about what is the tracking in EF core. So the first thing that we are going to discuss about. Okay, so what if I am tracking track where the tracking is allowed. Okay, so in which scenarios, what happens here. Okay, so first by default EF core tracks every entities when it is load. Okay, or it means that it stores your entity instances in change tracker. Okay, or along with that, it takes the snapshots as well. Okay, takes snapshots of property values. Okay, so it also detects the changes as well. Okay, so detects changes, we use save changes methods. Okay, so this is how this is the fundamental thing when we use the tracking, when the tracking is allowed. Okay, now let's at this moment we are allowing the tracking, or first you should know guys, trust me, whenever you create the link queries, or along or after that, if you are just trying to fetch the data, that's it. Okay, so at that moment you have to use as no tracking. Okay, but if you are if you're trying to make some changes in your tables, update, create and delete. Okay, so in such scenarios you have to use you don't need to use as no tracking as well. Okay, so what the things internally as well. Okay, so in case of if you are not using as no tracking, so it just allocates the memory for each entity. Okay, along with that, it adds entity to direct to your dictionary. Okay, or along with that, it compares the old versus new values later as well. Okay, so these are the few things that you need to understand while you are using the records. Okay, so first you should know at which moment we don't need to use the as no tracking. So it is great for the crude operations, and along with that and if and it is very terrible for the read only queries. Okay, but the guys thing is whenever you it doesn't make any impact while your records are very smaller. Okay, but suppose you have records around 10,000 plus records, so you will see the huge differences in the performance as well. Okay, or along with that, if I tell you the numbers, what happens with the numbers while we using the while we don't use the as no tracking while we are reading the records. Okay, so your response time will decrease by 30 to 60%, and along with that you will get the memory usage increase by 2 to 5x. Okay, so this is why you should always avoid to use the AsNoTracking in while you are just trying to fetch the data. Okay, or you will see that I have created the complex query to get the results. Okay, but here you will see like we are just adding as a like as no tracking. Okay, so like we don't need to remove this thing from here. Okay, or if I just run this query. So let me open this the HTTP file. Okay, so you will see like I have set up the two APIs as well. So first we will run the APIs with the AsNoTracking. So now let's see that like what happens when we runs with the AsNoTracking. Okay, so at this moment you will see that we got the results. But if along with that, like if I just okay, so let me just remove this. Okay, so now let's go there. So you will see that still like we are getting the results, but on the basis of the performance, you will see like slightly differences between these two things, because we have a very less data record. Okay, but guys, like trust me, like whenever you are trying to work with the like 10,000 plus K records, 1 lakh plus records. So like you will definitely see the differences as well. Okay, so like so first you should know like what is the no tracking means. Like you should know it very well. So like it doesn't track the entities as well. Okay, like like we don't need to track the entities. We are just trying to fetch the data. Okay, like we are not doing anything CRUD operations at this moment. Okay, but along with that, like it doesn't take the snapshots as well, or like no change detections is seen. Okay, or like objects like guys, like there is a very favorite thing that I would love to tell you. Like objects are immediately garbage collected. That's it. Okay, so like this is a few things that you need to understand between these two things as well. Okay guys, and guys, trust me, like there is a one important thing, like garbage collection helps you to manage your memory state as well. Okay, or if you don't know like what is the garbage collection, so I have just created the separate video on our YouTube channel. So just go and watch the video related on the garbage collection, where I have explained a garbage collection fully level. Okay, so if you don't know, so just you have to know like what is the power of the garbage collections in ASP.NET Core. Okay, so like that's that. So this is why like I thought like you should get to know about the garbage collections as no tracking. Okay, or like how to manage the memory as well. So this is the few fundamental things that every developers miss out. Okay, so, but I want like if you are watching this video till here, so guys, like you have to prepare your to use these things as well. But keep this thing in your mind, like whenever while you are using the as no tracking. So please don't use with the CRUD operations. Okay, or but if you're just trying to read the data, so just you can go with the has no tracking. Okay, so this is the huge differences between these two things. Or like now let me write the things about the like what are the memory usage like whenever. So if you are like if you are using with the tracking, so like you will see the high memory usage. But if you use the low, but if you see the no as no tracking, so like you will found the low memory usage or like CPU usage has the like it has the same quality as well. Okay, like a memory usage. But along with that, like if you see the GC pressure, so like you will definitely see the same thing happens with the like high and low with. And along with that, like if you see the query speed, so definitely guys, like you will definitely love this query speed between these two things as well. Or along with that, like you will see the like if you want to see that if like is it good for your API, so definitely guys, like you should definitely use the AsNoTracking while you are reading the data. So I hope you love this video, you love this content. So guys, I just want to request that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends or colleagues on YouTube as well, and hit the like button. Or guys, there is one important thing that I want to discuss with you. Like we are available on topmed.io. If you want, if you are seeking the .NET career mentorship with me, and if you just want to ask me any of your doubts one to one on the video call, okay, so on Google Meet, so definitely like you should book your session right here, okay. Or definitely guys, like you will definitely love to know the things that I will share with you, and I will share my experience with you in the mentor, like in the one-to-one mentorship as well, okay. Or currently we have like limited slots are available, so book your session now, and like reserve your seat, okay. So guys, that's like a thing that we have discussed in this video. So guys, thank you for watching this video till here, or till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.